In this lesson, we want to model something similar to the format ELF facade. As you can see here, there are hexagons scaling. So what we want to do in Grasshopper is to model something similar to that and also control that with a series of point attractors. So you can see that I can move this on the facade and produce different results. And finally, we're going to talk about how we can give it a thickness and finish this tutorial. It's basically on any closed Nurbs surfaces. So we're going to also figure out how we can close those cells which are on the seam. And in this tutorial, there are a little bit advanced techniques we're going to talk about, and then we're going to model this in Grasshopper.